Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2016 Cadillac SRX Performance Collection, stock number Z7756A. 40,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, crystal red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. The SRX is a very safe vehicle. 5-star overall government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. With removable privacy cover, as well as additional underfloor storage. Very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This performance collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, adjustable power liftgate, power seats with memory settings for 2 drivers, oversized panoramic moonroof, button start, large easy to read gauges with customizable dash, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. Navigation. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys for the things you use most often, as well as heated front seats, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious with all the owner's materials, overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, this SRX has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 308 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more information, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.